Vivo just dropped its brand new X300 series, and today we're diving deep into the Vivo X300 Standard Edition, giving you a complete hands-on review and performance breakdown. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The Vivo X300 Standard Edition is truly a work of art, blending sleek modern design with a refined, elegant feel. The back panel is made from cold-carved suspended waterdrop glass, featuring a velvet-like finish that feels silky smooth and resists fingerprints. The seamless transition between the back cover and the display gives it a perfectly unified look. The color you're seeing here is called Free Blue, inspired by the open, tranquil tones of the ocean. Light, pure, and visually soothing. The camera module sticks to a minimalist circular design with just the right amount of elevation to blend smoothly with the back panel. Overall, the X300's design language gives off a natural and effortless sense of beauty. Moving to the display, it features a 6.31-inch screen weighing only 190 grams and measuring 7.95 millimeters thick, with a body width of under 72 millimeters. It's extremely comfortable to hold with one hand. The bezels are ultra-thin at just 1.5 millimeters, and thanks to the large rounded corners, the front view feels expansive and immersive. Vivo didn't cut corners on display quality either. The X300 uses a BOE Q10 Plus panel with a 460 ppi pixel density and supports 10.7 billion colors. The peak brightness reaches a stunning 4,500 nits, and it features a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate powered by 8T LTPO technology. When it comes to eye comfort, Vivo packed in some serious protection. You get 2160 Hz full brightness PWM dimming, full DC dimming, AI-based personalized brightness 2.0, all-day light sensitivity mode, and even an AI writing mode. Plus, the minimum brightness can drop to just 1 nit, so it's easy on the eyes when scrolling in the dark. Under the hood, the X300 is backed by a second-generation semi-solid state battery with a 6,000 40 mAh capacity, supporting 90-watt wired and 40-watt wireless flash charging. In real-world tests, the wired charging took just about 50 minutes for a full top-up. Pretty impressive. It also includes Global Direct Drive Power Supply 2.0, which helps reduce heat during gaming, along with Full Scene Energy Efficiency Scheduling 2.0, Ego Computing Space 3.0, and System Lightweight 3.0 for overall power optimization. Performance-wise, Vivo teamed up with MediaTek and ARM to fine-tune the new Dimensity 9500 chip, which shows a major leap over the previous Dimensity 9400. In gaming tests, Honor of Kings runs flawlessly at 120 FPS with full effects, consuming only 2.54 watts, maintaining a perfectly stable frame rate. Even Genshin Impact, known for its demanding graphics, runs smoothly at 60 FPS for 30 minutes straight, with an average power draw of 4.1 watts. The Vivo X300 Standard Edition takes compact phone photography to a whole new level, combining multiple imaging capabilities in one sleek device. It's equipped with a 1.4-inch large sensor and a 200 megapixel main camera with a 23mm equivalent focal length, delivering incredible clarity. Alongside it is a telephoto lens powered by the L-White 602 sensor, sized at 1.95 inches with a 70mm focal length, and an ultra-wide-angle Samsung JN1 sensor, offering a 15mm focal length. Now let's talk about how this setup performs. The real advantage of that 200 megapixel resolution is in the details. When you capture something like intricate architecture, every tiny element, from the patterns on rooftops to the carvings of a dragon or the fine print on a clock, stays crisp and sharp. Even when you zoom in multiple times, the clarity barely drops. Thanks to the large sensor and f1.68 wide aperture, the main camera shines in low light too, keeping colors clean, depth natural, and gradients rich and smooth. The 70mm telephoto lens adds a powerful punch, especially when shooting buildings, landscapes, or distant subjects. It supports ultralight zoom, maintaining impressive sharpness even at 10x, 20x, and up to 100x digital zoom. Portrait photography is another strong point. That 23mm focal length captures half-body shots with cinematic storytelling vibes. Even after cropping, details like hair texture and makeup stay remarkably clear, producing visuals on par with traditional 85mm or 135mm portrait lenses. You can easily style these shots for Instagram, Xiaohongshu, or even movie-like edits. With Zeiss portrait features, your creativity really takes off. It delivers lifelike skin tones and realistic lighting, while the advanced beauty database, built on tens of millions of samples, subtly enhances facial structure, makeup, and overall balance. The results look effortlessly natural, keeping fine details like pores and skin texture intact. Night portraits, often tricky for smartphones, are beautifully handled here. The Vivo X300 avoids overexposing faces, preserving natural tones and realistic light transitions. The shadows and highlights give the subject a three-dimensional look, and you can even sense the direction of the ambient light, something usually seen only in professional photography. This time, Vivo also deepened its collaboration with MediaTek, enabling personalized AI beauty effects. Just upload 10 reference photos, let the phone run a short 15-minute training, and it learns your preferred editing style. After that, you can achieve the same level of detailed retouching in just 10 seconds, results that usually take 5 to 15 minutes manually. On the video side, the X300 supports 4K recording at 120 frames per second, offering ultra-clear, fluid footage. The inclusion of log format gives creators more flexibility for professional color grading and post-production. Running on Orange OS 6, the X300 introduces a liquid glass-style interface that looks clean and refreshing while boosting system smoothness. It's even the first in the industry to receive dual 5-year certification for long-term, heavy-use stability and sustained performance. Its supercore computing engine smartly balances processing resources, improving the cold start speed of major apps by around 10%. Even demanding games like Genshin Impact load noticeably faster. Thanks to its dual rendering architecture, animations look buttery smooth, while innovations like photon storage and memory compression ensure the whole system stays responsive and fluid. In short, the Vivo X300 Standard Edition is a stunning small-screen flagship that truly embodies a world within a compact space. With its 6.31-inch display, 6040 mAh battery, Dimensity 9500 processor, and 200 megapixel imaging system, it proves that true flagship power doesn't depend on size. The Vivo X300 Standard Edition starts at 4,399 Chinese yuan, which converts to around 466 pounds in the UK, or roughly $620 here. That's it for today's deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.